Ibrahim Bakare, born January 21, 1980, also known by his stage name Itele the Icon, is a highly acclaimed Yoruba actor and TV personality in Nigeria. His exceptional talent and skills as an actor, screenwriter, movie producer, and director have significantly impacted the entertainment industry. Ibrahim Itele gained immense recognition for his excellent performances in movies such as Kesari, Itele, and Romeo. Throughout his career, Ibrahim Itele has consistently proven himself to be a versatile and dedicated artist, captivating audiences with his remarkable portrayals on the silver screen. Itele was born in Bariga, Lagos, Nigeria on January 21, 1980. He hails from a Nigerian village at Dimula, Osun State. He was raised by his loving parents throughout his childhood and had the opportunity to enjoy the joys and challenges of growing up with his siblings. While Ibrahim Itele Yekini has succeeded in various fields, he has kept personal details private, refusing to share anything about his parents or siblings with the public. Itele completed his education at Hamadiya Secondary School, obtaining his senior secondary certificate examination and first leaving school certificate. Afterwards, he decided to further his studies by enrolling at Moshood Abiola Polytechnic in Abeokuta, popularly known as Mapoli. In 2005, Itele embarked on a journey into Nigeria's vibrant film realm, Nollywood. He took his first steps before the camera in the movie Orabere, directed by esteemed Tunde Kelani. Ibrahim Itele, a skilled filmmaker, has left his mark as a scriptwriter, director, and producer. Notable works like Anini, Akoba, Kesari, and Lucifer showcase his prowess. In 2019, he achieved a milestone with Return of Kesari, where he held multiple roles. His recent Father Abraham project add to his impressive body of work. Beyond acting, Ibrahim co-directed a film with Tokwe Adebayo, resulting in the early awaited movie Ololufe. With his ongoing success, Ibrahim Itele continues to explore new creative avenues. Ibrahim has been nominated for various awards and has won some, but not all. He has been nominated for City People Movie Award for Movie Director of the Year in 2019. He won Best Actor at the Bond Awards in 2019. Won also Bond Awards in 2020. He won Best Producer at the City People Award in 2019. He won Best Movie for Kesari at the City People's Award in 2019. He also won Best Producer and Director at the Emperor Awards in 2021. Ibrahim Itele tied the knot with his wife, Olaiwola Aminat Omomi, in June 2016, and they became parents to a child together. After welcoming a daughter with Olaiwola Aminat Omomi in 2019, rumors circulated that Ibrahim Itele the Icon was considering a second marriage. Allegedly, he was set to marry a video vixen shortly after the birth of his child. However, this turned out to be a baseless rumor. During Olaiwola Aminat Omomi's birthday, while the celebration was ongoing, Ibrahim took to his Instagram to express his admiration for her, acknowledging her role as a wife, mother, and housemaker. This suggests a support for his successful career in the film industry. Itele and his wife welcomed their first child, Aminat Bakare, in 2018, followed by a baby girl in April 2022. The details of the baby girl's name remain private. Ibrahim was previously married to Dupe Yekini, but their marriage ended in divorce. Before his relationship with Olaiwola Aminat Omomi, Ibrahim was married and reportedly had 4 children together. Following the end of their marriage, Dupe Yekini took their children with her under the understanding that Ibrahim would provide for them. However, online reports suggest Ibrahim had not met his responsibilities, prompting accusations of neglect. Initially denying these claims, Itele revealed undisclosed health challenges affecting his finances. He attributed his initial response to frustration and expressed regret for it. He promised to mend the situation and fulfill his responsibilities towards his family moving forward. As time went by, he fulfilled his commitment. Ibrahim Itele, a highly acclaimed actor and well-known television personality from Nigeria, has accumulated an impressive estimated net worth of over $800,000 through his successful career. With his immense talent and widespread appeal, Itele has enjoyed a prosperous professional journey and secured a significant financial standing. That's it for now on Ibrahim Itele, the icon. In case you know more, do drop it in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel, like and click the notification button so you will be notified when we drop our next video.